आवाज येत नाही अजून सर.
आवाज येत नाही.
ब्रेक
Hello?
होते सर.
ब्रेक होते क्या? अभी देखो.
यस सर.
Okay. Star to delta transformation. In this one, first we have to discuss this star connection should be transferred into delta connection. Star form should be transferred into delta form. So this RA, RB, RC should come in this one, RBC, RAB and RCA. So suppose we have to convert this one into delta form. RAB should come in the form of the value of RAB. It should have to equation should be come in the form of RA, RB and RCA. So some people still they are joining. अभी क्लास कितने बजे को छोड़ दी?
10:30 सर.
10:30 फिर लीव करने का जरूरत क्या है? कंटिन्यूशन इधर ही रह सकते हैं ना
सर. वही हमें निकाल देते मतलब.
दिस इज द लास्ट चांस. वो ठीक है अभी वो एंड ऑल किया तो हो जाते, बट अभी मैंने एंट्री नहीं लेने वाला. अभी लीव देम, उसको लॉस होने दो. ओके. So this form we have to transform into this equation. Already we have discussed about delta to star form. So delta resistances are RAB, RBC, RCA. These all are we have calculated in the form of delta. The star values we have determined here. RA calculation के लिए करने के लिए delta का resistance value should be known here now. So which one is connected to AB, which one is connected to CA, which one is connected to BC and all the things here now. So we know that three equations we know very well. So all three equations. Dictation लिए क्या? Formula लिए क्या? Have you taken
Yes,
the dictation? Okay. RA equal to RAB, RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. So similarly, RB and RC formula we have to write down here now. So these three equations already we have derived in the delta to star transformation. So equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3 we have to write down here now. Next, dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Dividing equation 1 by equation number 2 here now. So this is equation number 1, equation number 2 वो divide करने का है. So RA divided by RB हो गए. Yes.
Yes, sir.
LHS side yes, RA divided by RB here now. So here the denominator is same. Here the denominator is same. Both will get cancelled here now. By cancelled it will. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 means 2 gets cancelled over there. So almost 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 like that we are going to consider here now. Both will get cancelled. The left term in the RHS side is RAB by RCA divided by RBC by RAB. ये दोनों बच जाते हैं अभी. Numerator term RAB RCA divided by this RBC into RAB. Here also RAB term is there. Here also RAB term is there. Both will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
So RCA divided by RBC term will
RBC
be left here now. That one we have written here. RA divided by RB equal to RCA divided by RBC. So this one you send into, sorry, this one you keep as it is here now. You send into LHS side. RCA equal to RA into RBC divided by RB. Same thing we have written here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that one we have considered as equation number 4. Equation number 4 we have considered here. Similarly, equation 1 को फिर 3 से equation 3 से divide करो. Dividing equation 1 by equation 3. See here, this is the equation 1, equation 3 here now. So RA divided by RC.
Yes,
LHS side RA divided by RC. So this new denominator cancel. So RAB RCA divided by RCA divided by into RBC. So here RCA term will get cancelled.
Yes.
Common.
Yes,
Both will
sir.
get cancelled. RAB by RBC. So that term only we have written RA by RC equal to RAB divided by RBC. From this one, we have to write RAB term here now. RAB, we have to write down RAB equal to RA. This one I will send into LHS side. It will become RBC divided by RC. So, equation number 5 we have given here now. Equation number 5 we have given here now. Just a minute. Some people still they are joining. I will make that one as I will remove the waiting room, but I will not mark the attendance of them. Okay, this is equation number 4 and 5 we have considered here now. So 5 equations we got that one. Next, see here that one. What is the next equation? What we have to do? Substituting equation 4 and 5 in equation number 1. Equation 4 and 5 in equation number 1 में substitute करने. Equation number 1 क्या है? RA plus RA equal to RAB plus RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA था ना? Equation number 1.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the equation number 1. RA equal to RAB RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. ये equation number 1 है. इसमें RCA value substitute करना है. This one, this RCA value you substitute and RAB value you have to substitute here now. Wherever RCA is there, we have to substitute this one. Wherever RAB is there, we have to substitute this equation here now. So here RAB term is there. We have to substitute equation number 5. Here RCA term is there. We have to substitute here equation number 4. Here equation number 5. Here equation number 4. Like this. Understood? Equation yes, 4 and 5 yes, should be submitted into equation number 1. So equation number 4 RCA वैल्यू दे रहे हैं, वो RCA प्लेस में इक्वेशन नंबर 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का. RCA किधर है? इधर एक टर्म है, इधर एक टर्म है. एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 5 RAB दे रहे हैं, RAB इधर है, इधर है. We have to substitute that one. I have written here now. RA I have kept as it is. In the place of RA RBC है, दोनों प्लेस में न्यूमरेटर है ना RA RBC है. इक्वेशन नंबर 4 में भी RA RBC है, इधर भी RA RBC है. Yes?
Yes, sir.
RAB into RCA is nothing but RA square RBC square हो गए.
Yes, sir.
RA square RBC square हो गए. Next divided by one को एक को RB है, एक को RC है. So RB into RC है. Then I have to keep as it is. Open bracket I will take down. And here also RAB term RAB equal to RA RBC divided by RC substitute किए plus RBC plus RCA means RA RBC divided by RB substitute किए. Equation number 4 substitute किया, इधर equation number 5 substitute किया. Next here one RA is there, here RA square is there. This square and this RA gets cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Cancel हो जाते. This RB RC I will send it to RHS side. It will become multiplication factor, na?
Yes, sir.
So RB
yes,
RC I have written here RB RC. This RA will gets cancelled with the square of this one. 2 RA है, उसमें एक RA gets cancelled हो गए. Okay, left term is RA into RBC square. I will keep as it is here. Now this one I have sent it to LHS side here. From this one, consider the common point. Here also RBC is there. Here also RBC is there. Here also RBC is there. Yes. तीनों में RBC है. RBC, RBC, RBC. We can take common of RBC. We will take common yes, now here. I will take the RBC as common here now, and the left term is there. RA divided by RC plus RBC we have taken outside means one term will be left here now. 1 plus RA divided by RB we have keep. I will keep as it is here now. This RBC square divided by RBC. So this square we can remove.
Yes, sir.
RBC and one RBC will get cancelled over here now. So numerator RA into RBC left term is there here, no? And this one I will keep as it is, RA divided by RC plus 1 plus RA divided by RT. So here now, take the LCM. RB into RC is the LCM.
Yes, sir.
RB into RC is the LCM of that product. So then we have to multiply this RC term, which is not there here now. So RC term is multiplied to the 1 and RA, and RB term will multiply to the RA and 1 term here now. So here already 1 by RC is there. No need to multiply this one here now. So what I will do, this one RB, sorry, where we have this RA, RBC will take it to outside here now, 1 term. LHS side I will write this one here now. This one I will send into LHS side. This complete term I will send into LHS side. Then RB, RC, multiplication of that one, RA divided by RC plus 1 plus RA divided by RB. Okay. Now you consider here now. Take the LCM here. Here RC term is there. So RA is already there. RB kar sakte hain multiplication. We can do here RA, RB.
Yes, sir.
Plus only 1 is there here now. So the new denominator term is RB and RC is there. RB into RC, we have to multiplication of 1. It will give RB into RC only. Plus here only RA term is there. We have to multiply RC term here now. RA into RC divided by the product of RB and RC, which is our LCM now. Which is our LCM. So here RB, RC is there. Here also RB, RC term is there. Both will get cancelled. RB, RB get cancelled. RC, RC gets cancelled.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So RA, RBC equal to RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA. The left term is now. So this LHS RA I will send into RHS side. It will become 1 by RA. So RBC equal to RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA divided by RA. We got the equation now. Split it down. Now you split this one. RA, RB divided by RA. What is the left term now? RA, RB divided by RA. RA, RA gets cancelled. RB left here now. So here RB term plus RB, RC divided by RA. Same term we are going to get here. Next plus RC, RA divided by RA. RA gets cancelled. RC is the left term.
RC.
So we got the equation here now. RB plus RC plus RB, RC divided by RA.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the one method here now. So many methods are there to identify, to derive the equation. This is the one method. I told you to easily understand this one. I told already that one. You have to remember RBC is nothing but RB plus RC plus RB, RC, which is not there here. That divide you have to do here now. That dividification you have to do here now. Otherwise, you can remember one more method also. How many resistances are there in the star connection? 3 resistances are there, yes?
3.
So we
Yes,
have
sir.
to identify the delta connection of any 2 terminal resistance we have to identify. Suppose RBC we have to identify. In the ABC point, A term is not there here now. So what we have to do, all star connection resistance, we have to multiply one to another. A to B, RA into RB, RB into RC, RC and RA. Summation of all divided by the third element, we can do that one here. Whenever for the bigger value is there, see here, the numerator for all the delta connection RBC, RAB and RCA is same only. Numerator is same only. RA-RB plus RB-RC plus RC-RA. Here also same. Here also same. Only the denominator term will be changed, that is RA, RC and RE, which is not there here now. 2 methods are there to remember here now. We got the equation? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to remember? Just now. Here, RAB we have to identify RA plus RB plus RA-RB divided by RC. This is one method. This is also correct. Otherwise, what you have to do to calculate the RAB, RA-RB, RB-RC, RC-RA. RA-RB plus RB-RC plus RC-RA divided by the opposite
RC.
resistance is RC. Whole divided by RC. Any method you remember, both are same only equations here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Then note down. Up to here, equation number 1, 2, 3, have you taken?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Next, you write down here now. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2. We obtain ठीक है, write this one only directly. RA divided by RB equal to RA divided by RB equal to RCA divided by RBC. RCA divided by RBC. Therefore RCA equal to RA RBC divided by RB. RA RBC divided by RB. Consider that one as equation number 4. Consider that as equation number 4. Next, dividing equation 1 by equation 3, we obtain. Dividing equation 1 by equation 3, we obtain RA divided by RC. RA divided by RC equal to RAB divided by RBC. RAB divided by RBC. Next line, therefore RAB equal to RA RBC divided by RC. This is equation number 5. Over. Don't take the diagram. Next line. Substituting equation 4 and equation 5. Substituting equation 4 and equation 5 into equation number 1. We get, write this equation all. Complete equations you write down. And let me know after completing that. लिख रहे क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Take this one.
Yes,
Take
sir.
this method, and to solve this method, to solve this equation, one more method is there. Whatever we have considered now, dividing equation 1 by 2 and dividing equation 1 by 3, like that. One more method is there. Any one method we can adopt. You can familiar with that one. This is the easy method, I think. One more method is there. I have also added that derivation also in the PPT. We'll compare that one with this equation, this derivation. Both derivation will give same answer only, but method is different. Dividing, multiplication, addition is different here. After completing this one, let me know. If it is over, then you say completed.
सर थर्ड इक्वेशन में RC into RA चाहिए ना?
कौन सा?
RC into RC हो गए.
हाँ RE है. RC into RE this one. Very good, very good. ऐसा identify करने का simple mistakes. If you identified means you understood. RC RA divided by RB. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You write this one also. Easy way to remember star to delta transformation is, easy way to remember star to delta transformation is resistance between two terminals of delta equal to resistance between two terminals of delta equal to sum of star resistances connected to those terminals plus product of same two resistances divided by third resistance full point. Don't take this diagram, don't take the diagram. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, this same derivation we are going to derive in other form. Same star to delta transformation only here now. Here we know the from the delta to star connection RA equal to RAB RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. All are same only.
Yes, sir.
Same
Yes,
equations we have used now. Here, instead of dividing system, I will use multiplication factor here now. Multiplying equation 1 by equation 2. Equation 1 is multiplied by equation number 2. So LHS will become RA into RB. LHS will become RA into RB equal to this RHS of the equation number 1 I will write as it is into RHS of the equation number 2 I will write as it is here now. Yes, we can write like this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here summation of RAB plus RBC plus RCA into here two factors are there. 2 into 2 is nothing but 2 square.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So this whole square we can write down. RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Only denominator I am telling that one. Whole square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here RAB's term is there. Here also RAB's term is there. RAB into RAB. RAB square.
RAB square.
RCA is only one term. RBC is only one term. So RAB square into RBC into RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA whole square. Yes, this one you consider as equation number 4. This one you consider as equation number 4. Next, similarly, equation number 2 is multiplied by equation number 3. Equation number 1 to 2 is over now. Next equation 2 into 3 we have to do the multiplication. Equation 2 is multiplied by equation number 3 here now. Equation 2 is RB, LHS side RB, and equation number 3 is RC. So RB into RC we can write down. Next, equal to. Similarly, instead of splitting this one, denominator will be whole square. I will write as it is. RAB is only one term is there here, and here comparing equation number 2 and 3. Only RAB one term. RBC, RBC, two terms are there here now. So RAB, RBC square, RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA whole square it is now. This one I will consider as equation number 5. Similarly, we can write like this, na? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, again, equation number 3 should be multiplied to equation number 1 here now. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 1. All we have to in the circle, in the rotation, we have to do the multiplication here now. So similarly, next RC, RA we have to equal to RAB into RBC into RCA square divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA whole square here now. So these three equations I will write as equation number 4, equation number 5, and equation number 6. I will consider now here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Up
sir.
to here, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubts or clear nahi hua?
No, no doubt, sir.
Okay. See, then we got three equations. These three equations, what we have to do? We have to do addition now here now. Add equation number 4, equation number 5, and equation number 6. The addition, by doing the addition, we'll get the equation here now. See here, LHS of all three equations you consider RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA. This term we can write as it is. We have written RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA. Yes, equal to.
Yes, sir.
Here, RAB square, RBC, RCA. See here, the denominator for all the three equations is same only. RAB plus RBC plus RCA whole square here now. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2. We can write LCM as 2 only, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is the denominator I will write as it is, RAB plus RBC plus RCA whole square. Only the numerator term what I will do, I will write in the summation form here now. RAB plus RBC plus RCA plus RAB RBC square RCA plus RAB RBC RCA square. Yes, I have written like this here now. Next, what I will do, here RAB term is extra, here RBC term is extra, here RCA term is extra. One term is extra here now. I will take RAB, RBC, RCA common here now. Product of RAB, RBC, RCA here now. Here RAB, RBC, RCA. When we will take outside, what is the left term from this one? Actually, RAB into RAB, RBC, RCA. One RAB, RBC, RCA liye to only RAB term will be left here.
RAB.
No? So that one I have written RAB here. No, here RBC square is there. Taking all three out, one RBC term will be left here. No, here RCA term is double. So taking all these terms outside, only RCA term will be left here. Now, yes. So
yes,
now you see here RAB plus RBC plus RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Square is there. So this one into we can cancel one square here now.
Yes, sir.
So it is gets cancelled. The left is 1 by RAB plus RBC plus RCA term is left here now. That one next we'll see here now. So RAB plus RBC plus RCA equal to RAB, RBC, RCA divided by summation of all these three here now. Next, see here, I will take RAB outside here now. Any one term you can take here. RBC le lo, RCA le lo, RAB le lo. I will first term I will separate it now here. RBC divided into RCA divided by RAB, RBC plus RCA. What it is nothing but just see equation number 1, 2, 3.
RC.
RC लिख सकते हैं इधर.
Yes, sir.
So that is only RAB into RC we have considered here. No. So when RAB we have to calculate here. No. RAB equal to this LHS divided by RC we have to send here.
Yes,
RC
Yes,
denominator हो जाएगा. Next RA divided by RB in RARB divided by RC plus RBRC divided by RC plus RCRA divided by RC now. Here no term is there here now. As it is you keep here. Here RC and RC gets cancelled. RC gets cancelled here. What is the left term? RA plus RB plus RARB divided by RC here.
RC.
So you can remember this one or you can remember this one here. Similarly, we have to write other equations also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
we can compare with other division students also. Nobody has told these two derivations. Anyone, which one you are familiar, we can take that one. Almost all the division peoples, this one only they are going to refer. Actually, in the previous class, we have referred this one only. You want to note down this one also? If you want to note down, I will dictate. Otherwise, we will skip that one. We will move for the problems. That choice is left to you people only. You want to note down this one or not?
No.
Hello. The first method is easy comparing this one. Here, so many multiplication factors are there. Taking common and all the things, you'll get confusion. If anybody want to note down, means you can note down. But you tell me, you want to note down or can I continue for the next?
Continue for next, sir.
Continue for the next one. So it completes the star delta transformation. It is going to complete here now. It is nothing but this is first unit is get over here now only. First unit is completed here only. So we'll take two more problems. We'll take after that one. In the next class, we'll start the second unit. So this problem already we have discussed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday I have clearly told you people how to solve the equations. Now this problem also you have over, I think.
No,
But
sir.
no.
No,
Okay. Take this problem then. You just note down. I will explain this one. Similar problems you can take in the next. See, instead of this G है ना, G का place में G है, ठीक है. G is nothing but this is galvanometer we are going to call it. It has some resistance only here. That resistance 40 ohm you have to consider here. Over?
No, sir.
See, dotted line मत ले लो. Don't take this dotted line. Don't take the dotted line. Only you take this direct. 10, 20, 40, 30, 15. ये dotted line का मत ले लो. That is dotted line indicates the solution only.
Complete, sir.
Okay. Listen carefully. Without any dotted line, ये dotted line consider मत करो. ये diagram see here. A to B, B to D, D to A. एक delta connection दिखत है.
Yes, sir.
A, B, D, A. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This delta connection we can reduce into star. Star को connection किए तो this one. ये AB term will get cancelled. Only this RA, R2 and R3. R1, R2, R3 में आ जाते. AD term will get cancelled. BD term will get cancelled here now. So the circuit diagram, it will looks like this one. Where it is here. This like this it is going to do looks over there. After the removal of that delta connection. Delta remove किया ना, ये term remove हो जाएगा, ये term remove हो जाएगा, ये term remove हो जाएगा. So instead of this one, some people सबका mentality एक नहीं रहते, all students का. So here you are getting two delta connection means instead of this one you can convert this one also. You can convert this delta into star connection also. Nothing to worry about that one. So from B to one resistance and neutral point you have to select here, and from neutral point to C, and from neutral point D also. So this term and this term will get cancelled. So any one delta connection you have to transfer into star connection now. So delta to star you have to do. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Delta to star you have to do here now. What is the delta to star? Suppose the delta to star means AB, AD and all the things. One resistance we have to convert here now. RA is nothing but which is connected to A terminal. That one we are going to consider. Here I have written R1. You can consider as RA only. What is the formula for RA? RA equal to RAB into RAD. A को कौन सा branches linked है, that product we have to take down. Yes.
Yes, sir.
RAD. So this one R1 only you consider. R1 को कौन सा link है? R1 का point A point है. This one don't consider neutral point. R1 it is connected to the point A. Point A से कितना resistance गए? 10 ohm and
10
20
and
ohm गए.
20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 into 20 divided by
10.
summation of all three resistance here now. 10 plus 40 plus 20.
20.
Yes.
20.
We can write like this.
Yes, sir.
10 into 20 divided by 10 plus 20 plus 40. Similarly, R2 calculation करना है. R2 where it is connected? Point B it is connected here now. Point 2 is connected to two resistance 10 and 40. 10 into 40 divided by 10 plus 20 plus 40. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, R3 is connected to point D here now. D is connected to galvanometer and 20 ohm here now. So 20 into 40 divided by 10 plus 20 plus 40. You can write like this. Yes. So you have calculated RA, R1, R2, R3 calculation की है. Calculation करने के बाद क्या करने का? ये delta connection है ना, इसको completely remove करने का. You have to start from here. ये voltage source लिखने का, इधर से इधर तक A तक point draw करो. ये के बाद this 10 ohm and 20 ohm don't draw this diagram. You have to remove this one because this one already we have converted into star network. Delta network is converted into star network means don't consider this branch now. Directly A to N point you have to draw. Next N to B, B to D. Don't write this one B to D also. This one also you have converted in this form. Converted into star form. So B to C and D to C and return back to the negative supply. Like this we have to do here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So in the question only why I am explaining means after seeing the solution you will understand very well here now. This is the solution for that one. What they have done here now, in this one they have calculated R1, R2, R3 here now. R1 is nothing but A point. A को connected है. AB and DA they have considered is nothing but 10 into 20 divided by summation of these three resistances. 2.6 ohm. All of you got this answer? Answer
Yes,
आया क्या?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next R2 10 into 40 divided by 10 plus 40 plus 20 here now. So 5.72. All of you got this answer? Calculation कर रहे क्या अभी?
Yes, sir.
Do it fast.
5.71.
7.1 okay no problem. 7.1 आइए कुछ नहीं है क्या?
5.7142.
7.142 ठीक है 7.14 लिखो चलते कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Next R3 equal to
20 into 40 ना sir.
Yes, sir. 10 हो गए वो.
10.
इधर 10 लिखा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then that is wrong then. 20 into 40 that is not 10. This one it is wrong. 20 into 4 divided by 20 plus 10 plus 4 40.
40.
हाँ कितना है?
11.42.
11.42.
So answer is correct only they have mistaken here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this one here dotted line का resistance calculation किया हमने. अभी ये dotted line को rub करो means it is dark line you have to do. This one you have to remove that one 10 ohm 20 ohm 40 ohm remove कर दो circuit से. That one we are going to do here now. This circuit is there. We are going to draw like this. So point A up to point A से किधर जाने का? RA जाने का. R1 कितना आया था? 2.86 आया था. So 2.86 we have written here now. Next this 10 ohm and 20 ohm is removed now. This connection is converted into here R1 only. Next point N neutral point है इधर. Neutral point draw करने का. उसके बाद दो पाथ आ रहा है. इधर एक जा रहा है B को, इधर D को एक जा रहा है. So here descending B को R2 5.714 and D को L1.4 we are sending here now. D को आ गए. Next D से दिस वन ऑलरेडी रिमूव्ड, दिस वन ऑलरेडी रिमूव किया है, 10 ओम भी रिमूव हो गए, 40 ओम भी रिमूव हो गए. So only path is left here is 30 ohm path left here. Towards C it is left here now. So towards C 30 ohm we have written here now. From the D towards C 15 ohm is written here now. So here the main current will flow I current flow हो रहे. इधर आने के बाद इसको parallel path मिल जाते हैं. 2 parallel paths will get here now. One like this, another one is like this here now. So here I1 current is flowing. Same current will flow in 30 ohm also. So these two are in series. If the current is same,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
these
sir.
two are same. So 5.72 plus 30. 5.72 plus 30. It is nothing but 35.72. And 11.4 and 15 here now. 26.4.
Four.
These two are in parallel. 35.7 and 26.4 are in parallel.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
ये दोनों पैरेलल में हो गए. सो इसका आंसर कैलकुलेशन करने का, दिस टोटल आंसर इज इन सीरीज विद 2.86. सो while calculating the total resistance A to C we have to calculate. A to C means this one 2.86 प्लस लिखने का, 30 प्लस 5.72 इसको ओपन ब्रैकेट इनटू पैरेलल पाथ रेजिस्टेंस 11.4 इन प्लस 5 15. So divided by this plus this here now. These two are parallel means this complete summation of this one I have considered as R1. Summation of this one has I will consider as R2. R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So R1 is 30 plus 5.72. R2 is 15.11.4. 15 plus 11.4 divided by summation of these two. The answer we are going to get 18.04. Can calculate this one also. Answer also cross verify karo if it is correct
Yes,
or
sir.
wrong.
Correct.
You got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this one is over now. Another method is this one. Little bit you will get confusion of this one because very big problem is there here. GDE. First this one they have considered as delta connection, then they have transferred into GDE. G say DE. That is I will give the PPT. We can check this one. One more small problem. Only 10 minutes time is left. We'll take one more small problem. So we'll take on that one. देखो अभी this one is similar problem is there here. Question वही है क्या? इधर से देखो अभी. You consider this one as question here now. You consider this one as question here now. See here. Here one parallel path is there. Here one parallel path is there. First we have to this make as one resistance here now. 5 into 4 divided by 5 plus 4. Yes.
Yes, sir.
5 into 4 divided by 5 plus 4. And here 3 into 15 divided by 3 plus 15. You have to make this one as one resistance. Then again अभी solve किया ना, similar problem will get here now. अभी solve किया था ना, ऐसा ही problems आ जाते हैं. इसका answer identify करो. You just identify the answer and tell me the answer. Meanwhile, I will take the attendance. Over. Anyone have solved this problem?
Wait, sir.
3 into 15 and 5 into 4. This parallel branch resistance, what is the resistance? You tell me first. What is the value of this one? 20 divided by 9. 2.22. Okay.
2.2.
2.22
Yes,
you have
sir.
used here now.
4
So 4 point आ रहे हैं?
नहीं
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. रहने दो. This is 2.2 and this is 2.5 and 185 we have kept as it is. This 7.6 also we have kept as it is here now. So now you can consider, you can transfer, you can shift reduce the circuit from this delta into star. Otherwise 1 2 3 this delta into star. Anyone you can consider. यही consider करने का बोल के ऐसा condition नहीं है. You can consider this one or you can consider this one also. Yes. So we'll take this one. पहले example में ये लिया था, अभी ये ले लो क्या? But you have to give the answer with me. Calculation करके answer बोलना है तुमको.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first, this point resistance we have to calculate here now. So 2.5 into 5 divided by 2.5 plus 2.2 plus 5. 5 into 2.5. Okay, these two multiplication divided by summation of all this one. इधर कौन सा सॉल्व किया देखेंगे एक मिनट. Which one they have considered? 15185. ठीक है, दोनों सेम ही है. ये कंसिडर किए. This one only I will explain. Listen here now. You can do, some people you can do by this method. You can do consider and check the answer. Same answer आना है हमको. If same answer came, then only it is correct. So 185, it is converted into this star network here now. So to calculate this resistance, 1 into 8 divided by 1 plus 8 plus 5. It is nothing but 14. 1 into 8, 8 by 14. We have considered this one resistance here. Another one from this point, 1 into 5 divided by 1 plus 8 plus 5 here now. 5 divided by 14. At next this point, 5 into 8. 8 into 5 divided by 14. You have to write like this. So R1, R2, R3. Here we have to write R1. Here we have to write R2. Here we have to write R3 here. So 4.7, 5 by 14, 20 by 7. ऐसे ही रख सकते हैं उसको. Point में value लिखा है तो चलते हैं. So next circuit will become like this. ऐसा हो गया circuit. These two are in series. Again, these two are in series now. This one is series. This one is in. ठीक है. कोई तो end कर रहे meeting. We'll stop here only. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Next time हो गया
Yes,
क्या?
sir.
नहीं होना. Another 2 minutes is
2
left.
minutes.
Okay. So this circuit delta is transferred into star now. So these two are in series. These two are in series. The total answer of these two plus these two are in parallel now here.
Parallel.
So 4 by 7 we will write as it is, plus 5 by 14 plus 2.5 is in parallel with 20 by 7 plus 20 by 9. Plus here one more resistance is there here up to B point here now, plus 7.6 here now. So total answer is 10 ohm we are going to get here now. 10 ohm we will get here now. So this is the answer. सबको आ गए तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो I will give the PPT. So many problems are there here. Again, I have added so many problems. I will today I will provide the PPT after the last class. One more class is there. I will put this PPT in the group. You can check that one. और एक प्रॉब्लम लेना है कि बहुत हो गए स्टार डेल्टा के ऊपर प्रॉब्लम्स. We'll start the second unit then. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these all problems, this complete PPT I will put in the group. You can check it. You can check any problems. If anything wrong means, sorry, anything doubt, difficulties means you can ask me and I will explain that one. Okay, we'll stop here only and we'll continue in the next class.